Welcome back to my channel of Amsi. So the people who are going to write the exam of organic chemistry, so please make a note that these are the important questions of your topic, and please try to concentrate on these questions before you're going to the exam. And the questions are: explain structural isomerism of organic compounds. So one of the most important question, that is structural isomerism, whether they may ask this question for 5 marks or for the 10 marks. Okay. And next, write the uses of paraffin. Sure to listen that uses of paraffin is one of the most important question, and also the difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction. So just see here, they may ask only the difference between the SN1 and SN2 reactions. Okay, so try to write the differences between SN1 and SN2 reactions, and also write what is ozonolysis and write a reaction of the ozonolysis, and write what are the uses of ozonolysis. Okay, information about Markovnikov rules orientation, Mark's orientation, one of the important and most important questions, SN1 and SN2, and as well as Markovnikov's orientation. Okay, and a note on anti-Markovnikov's rule. So this Markovnikov's rules and anti-Markovnikov's rules is one of the most important. Please just try to see what are the principles of this. Okay, and what is the stability of conjugated dienes. So first of all, while you are attempting the dienes, write what are dienes and what is the conjugated dienes, and don't forget to write the equation, I mean the chemical reaction of the conjugated dienes. Okay, and next, what is diel alder reaction. So this is also one of the most important. So before I'm saying that, every question what I'm saying here, just try to make a note on this. Whether you make a note on this as for 5 marks or 10 marks, that's your wish, but make sure to read all these questions. Okay, as my sincere request for all of you. And give an examples of conjugated dienes. See, again I'm saying examples of diel-alder reaction and examples of conjugated dienes. Definitely they may ask for 5 marks. Okay, and what are the factors affecting SN1 and SN2 reactions, and given brief information about the SN1 and SN2. See, when they ask, give the brief information about SN1 and SN2 for 10 marks, you make sure to see the video which I have kept channel, and read completely and write the reactions also. Okay, and the structure and uses of trichloroethylene. And also the second question, the 12th question, is structure and uses of chloroform ethyl chloride, and write the qualitative test for alcohols. See, definitely they will ask qualitative test for alcohols, or they may ask for the aliphatic amines or the carbonyl compounds. Okay, write the structure and uses of bench alcohol, and write the structure and uses of glycerol and propylene glycol. Here I want to say you that syllabus sheet, no, so you try to just see what are the structures they have given in fourth unit, and they given all the structures like propylene glycol, glycerol, and all these they given. Not only this, and remaining are also there. So if you kept the concentration on these, the structures and uses of these chemicals, then definitely you will score the good marks. Why? Because these all writing the IUPAC names and writing the structures of these compounds are definitely given for the 2 marks. Okay, and what are the carbonyl compounds? So make sure to know what are the carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are entirely different from the carboxylic group. Okay, so carbonyl compounds mean aldehydes and ketones. Okay, and write the aldol condensation. See, this and the entire video, what is the best and most damn sure question is, write the aldol condensation, and what is crossed aldol condensation. They definitely ask you this question: what is Canizaro's reaction, and what is crossed Canizaro's reaction. So please make sure that Canizaro's, crossed Canizaro's, aldol, crossed aldol reactions, etc. These reactions are one of the most important. Okay, what is the qualitative test for carbonyl compounds? So what are your the qualitative test only there for alcohols, carbonyl compound, carboxylic compound, and the aliphatic amines. So if you read all this qualitative test And while writing this qualitative test, you should try to attempt the end color and what are the reagents you have used in this. So that's it, that's enough. And what is the final result? So that's enough for this. And structures, write the structures, write the structures and uses of the cinnamaldehyde. And what is the qualitative test for the carboxylic acids? Write the structure of amphetamine and ethylene diamine. Write the qualitative test for the aliphatic amines. Write the basicity of the aliphatic amines. Classification of the organic compounds. Write about the benzoin condensation and perkinson condensation. I want to tell only one thing. So you read everything, but whatever the questions I gave here, just you try to make a note and you read this. So if you have kept the concentration on these questions also, definitely damn sure it definitely gives you the better information about the questions. Okay, so please make sure to see here. One thing I want to tell you: aldol condensation, crossed aldol condensation, Cannizaro's reaction, and crossed Cannizaro's reaction. That unit 4 have most probably all the naming of the chemical compound. Okay, so make sure to read all that, and thank you. And if you want any questions regarding this and other subjects, so make sure to comment, make a video on that. Thank you.